Larger crowds can be scary, so we're gonna talk about certain things you may take to improve your chances of survival if something goes wrong when traveling to a potentially crowded venue or event. Wear comfortable shoes and clothing so that you can move easily if you need to. Avoid wearing flowing or loose clothing that could catch or get tangled in a crowd. You may want to dress the children in slightly unusual or easily noticeable colors. Take a photo of them on your phone before you leave. If you're attending a large event, it's a good idea to bring a small first aid kit with you in case of emergencies. Plan your route in advance and to try to stay on well-lit, well-traveled paths. On arriving at your destination, have a really good look around. Establish where all the exits are. Stay aware of your surroundings. Keep an eye out for any potential hazards or suspicious activities. Avoid standing too close to the edges of platforms, escalators, or other areas where you could be pushed or fall. Stay together with your group. If you're with friends or family, stay close to them in a crowd. This will make it easier to find each other if you get separated. Keep your personal belongings close. Hold your bag or purse close to your body, and don't leave your wallet or phone in an open pocket. It's a good idea to bring a charged phone with you. It should be fully charged and an outdoor mode plus vibrate, not mute. It should also ideally have a backup power pack and keep the phone on low power mode. Enable your geo-tracking so you can track each other if you become separated. Your phone is important both to keep in touch and as a torch. Teach children to identify a suitable person to ask if they should be separated. Help them to identify police uniforms and security staff. If they can't find anyone in a known uniform, they should go to another mother with their children and ask them to call you. Tell the children they shouldn't wander off to find help, but should stay where they were when they lost sight of you. Create a name band for your child and secure it around their wrist. Attach it to your child's jacket, belt loop, in a back pocket. Tell the child where it is and what it's for. This should also have mobile phone numbers, any medical problems, and a backup landline number where someone is available to answer. For older children, identify an obvious place where you should meet if you get separated or if there is no phone reception. Follow the crowd's lead. If an emergency occurs, pay attention to the crowd and follow their lead. If the crowd starts to move, move with them, but try to stay calm and avoid stampedes. Strollers can be helpful, but if there are a huge number of people, children are vulnerable in push chairs and could get trampled, so the best way to transport babies is in the baby sling. I hope these tips help you. If you have any other questions about staying safe in crowds, please leave them in the comments.